All right, Cody, so what are we working with here today?
Storm shelters. 3x5 storm shelter made of 1/4 inch steel, designed to withstand EF5 tornadoes, 250 mile-an-hour winds. This has a 5-person occupancy rating.
So how is this like placed on the property?
These are anchored down to concrete. That's the only requirement. It needs concrete.
Now, what does one of these things cost?
Approximately, the shelter alone, $3,000 to $4,000.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
So if somebody was looking for this, where would they find it?
Survivastorm.com.
Cool, thanks so much.
Thanks, guys.